Hello everyone, my name is Dustin. I'm the founder and CEO of Beast Trading Software. Guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a brand new video showing you the latest signals from the Beast Super Signal. So guys, yes, I know it's been a long time since my last video, and to be honest, just been super busy. Life got in the way, and just actually lost track of time and didn't realize actually how long it's been since my last video. But important thing is I'm back, and I have a lot of things to show you, a lot of signals to show you of the B-Super signal, so you can see how it's been performing over this last few weeks. Now, before I get started, if this is your first time watching this video, first time visiting the channel, first of all, thank you. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for passing by. If you do enjoy this video, please do hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed already to the channel, please do subscribe so that you do not miss out on any future videos and content and latest news. All right, getting it out of the way, let's get started. Let's just show you what's going on or what's been happening. So first of all, I just want to mention that what you're going to see now, all the signals are on all of the pairs which I provide optimized set files for. When you do purchase the indicator or the B-Super Signal EA, you will receive personalized optimized set files giving you the best settings for each currency pair. I provide these set files for all of these pairs that I'm going through now. So what you'll be seeing now is the indicator with the optimized set files being used. So what you see now is exactly what you will get yourself or see yourself if you are using the indicator or the EA as well. So let's get started. And the first pair that we're looking at today is the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Looking back over this last week, there hasn't been much action, but last week we did have a buy signal here, which was a nice win. And then looking back further, we can just see here a sell signal, which was a very nice win as well. If you're wondering about why the arrows are so small, don't worry about this. This is just of the way that my VPS has formatted. I'm running the indicator on my VPS, and the VPS has changes, but when you run it on your chart, the arrows will be bigger, so don't worry about that. Okay, moving on, we have the Australian dollar and Japanese yen. Actually, there hasn't been anything recently on this pair. Let's just go back a bit more. So this going back towards the end of July, there was a sell and this was a win. So not much action on this pair, but there has been action on the other pairs, so that kind of does help balance things out. On to the Australian dollar and US dollar, we have a sell signal. A nice easy win. This was I think earlier this week on the 1st of August. Nice easy win. This is just the kind of signal that we like to see. Then on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, again another nice sell signal. Again a fantastic easy win. And these are just the kind of signals which I really like to see. And on to Euro, Australian dollar, we have a signal from yesterday still rolling. Kind of getting close towards take profit, but it seems to be pulling it back a bit now. So let's just see how this plays out. And then looking back further, we had a sell here, which was a nice win as well. On to Euro CAD. Looking back, we had a sell here, was a win. Then we had a buy, which was a win. So two signals here over the last couple of weeks. On to the Euro Pound. Here we actually have a losing signal. It did go into this profit initially, but as price kind of just went back and eventually did take out our stop loss. So unfortunately, we did take a loss on this pair. And, mentioning now about this loss, I just want to touch on this again. I always do in every video, but I always like to mention that this indicator is up to 70% accurate. So what exactly does that mean? That means that on average, the indicator is around 70% accurate, but that does mean that 30% of the time, more or less, it can be wrong. So you can't expect to win every signal. The indicator is going to get it wrong sometimes. Unfortunately, most of the time, that's due to news events. This being a technical indicator which uses technical analysis to analyze past price data and then calculates where it thinks is going to be a signal and predicts where there's going to be price is going to go up or down. But when news events comes along, it can obviously send the price going into the opposite direction, causing the signal to have a loss. And then sometimes, it's not perfect. It can make a wrong analysis, which can cause a signal to be incorrect, and it's going to hit stop loss. It is going to happen. It's inevitable. No, nothing is 100%. But as long as you use good risk management and always use a stop loss, you can always use the stop loss which is recommended by the indicator. You will mitigate those losses and maintain profits. So just to clear that up, I think that we all kind of get the idea of it. So moving on, we have the Euro, Japanese yen. Looking back, well, we have a signal actually just from, this looks like it was just a few minutes ago. And we have a sell, which is initial profit. We had a sell here. I can't know for certain if this might have hit stop loss or not. Unfortunately, I can't see. But it might have not. This one definitely, also this one as well. Looking back, here was a win, and here was a fantastic sell as well. So overall, this pair has also done pretty well. Now on to euro dollar, the most popular pair to trade. Looking back, we had a very nice sell signal, which took out TP. This was a nice, easy win. Moving on to the British pound pairs, we have the pound and Australian dollar. Here we had a pair, and this just clipped take profit. Let me just zoom in here. Wow, this was a very close one. It just clipped profit over here, and then once more before price turned. So this was a nice win as well. And now moving on to the next pair. Again, another nice sell signal. This was just a fantastic sell. Then looking back into last week, we had another win here. And just before going out of frame, you can see a sell signal here on the edge. Let's see. Minimize that. There was a fantastic sell as well. So this pair has been doing really, really well over the last couple of weeks. Onto the Japanese yen and British pound. Looking back, we had a sell here, which did it hit stop loss? Let's just see. No, it didn't. So saved, just saved. It didn't. It came very close to hitting stop loss, but price did turn and it did hit profit. And then looking back, we had a buy here. I think this one probably did hit stop loss. This one maybe as well, but these two also, they did hit profit. So good results on this pair. Moving on to British pound. A very nice sell here. Nice easy win this morning. This was just a simple, easy sell. Hit take profit. Very nice result for this morning on this pair. On to New Zealand dollar. Again, very nice sell signal here earlier this week. I think it was 0% drawdown. Literally, it just went straight down and took take profit within an hour. It looked like really good. Then on to the United States dollar and Canadian dollar. We had a very nice perfect sell here again. Let me see what else has happened on this pair. So looking back, 2 wins here, another win here, another win here. So here again, 1 win, 2 win, 3 win, 4 win, 5 wins, 5 signals over the last couple of weeks, and all of them winners. And our last pair that I have to show today is the US dollar and Japanese yen. Looks like earlier today there was a buy signal and it did hit stop loss, unfortunately. Nothing we can do about that, just didn't go our way. But we had a sell here which looked like it might have hit profit before turning. Then we had 2 previous buy signals, both of these also winners. So that's it, pretty much what I have to show you, so you can see how the B Super Signal has been performing over the last few weeks. And as you can see, it's been doing really well. The optimized set files, which I do provide, have really helped improve the performance of the indicator as opposed to using just the default settings. That's not to say the default settings don't work, they do, but the optimized set files do work a lot better. And you will receive these settings when you do purchase indicator. And of course, when you do purchase indicator or the EA, you do get access to the private Telegram group where you have all of the latest information and all of the set files available. So that's what I have to show you for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below in the video. And once again, if you enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button. It does help the YouTube algorithms. And then do hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I really appreciate all the support, all the feedback. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers. Happy trading.